Kom ek lank nog? Good afternoon, everybody. I'm here at the Goldfields Private Golf Club, and it's a very tenseful day. Here we have one of our professional players from Palabora, Limpo. Oh, she is professional. We're just getting the hang of it. Let me get my kabel. Is sie reg daar nie? Okay, she's going to try the green ball. If she can get it into the gat, that will be fun. That's very close. Okay, but what this is really about, on Women's Day, 9 August 2025 now, né? We're getting together in Carltonville, Goldfields Private Golf Club. We're gonna, ek praat nie kakie nie, ek dra dit. So it's Women's Day, we're gonna really see how far we can go without getting caught and land up in jail. But apart from that, we're gonna give our best. So we're going to dress up to reflect your attitude and personality. And then because we're only a lot of ladies, we're going to have a sensory sipping experience. Dit klink vir my soos 'n Germaanse bruisdrankie biertent, maar een vir vrouens. And then we also promise you some joyful extractions. Don't worry, it's not going to be wisdom extractions or teeth or nothing. Nee, ons gaan iets anders uittrek. En natuurlik, omdat dit Goldfields is, gaan ons vir goud gaan. Ons gaan bietjie praat oor allerlei dinge, maar ook relationship advice, how to get the most out of your partner without paying a cent. En dan gaan ook 'n paar gelukblikke wees met baie interessante pryse. So, kry julle kaartjies, daar's beperkte aantal kaartjies. Kontak Analda op hierdie nommertjie hieronder. Dan sien ek julle by Goldfields Private Golf Club. Soos julle kan sien, ons gaan nie golf speel nie, ons gaan net sit en proe en praat en lekker njam-njams. Saterdag 9 Augustus. Hierdie klankstelsel het die hele dag nou rondgeneem.